Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to format your messages in Slack. So first, what you want to do is go to any channel or message that you want and just click on the message line right here, and to format it, let's just type in anything personal. How are you guys doing? Something like that. And if you want to format it, just click on the A symbol right here, the letter A symbol. So this is basically the show formatting symbol. If you click on that, these formatting options will pop up on top. So first, highlight your text, so you can make it a bold text, you can make it italic, and you can make a strike through text, something like that. So you could also make a hyperlink, but just by clicking on this, and you could put the link right here. Just click on save. So let's say just gonna type a random something like that. So as you can see, it made it to a hyperlink. So just click on remove if you don't want, or to just to remove the hyperlink. Just click on remove right there. And you could also make something like this one, a numbered text or message. As you can see, let's just delete that. Type in again. You also make bulleted text right here. Just click on shift enter to make another line. Let's do this. And here is the block quote. So basically just does this one, a block quote text or message right here. You could also make a code just by clicking this one. And for the other one, you can make a code block. So this is the code block. To click it, makes it look like that. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you in the next one.